Hello friends, welcome back to tootscorner.com videos. Today let's see best time to drink chia seeds for weight loss. Chia seeds are a powerhouse of nutrients, offering a range of benefits that support weight loss. Packed with fiber, healthy fats and protein, chia seeds help curb appetite, promote digestion and maintain steady energy levels. However, knowing the best time to consume them can further enhance their effectiveness for weight management. Why chia seeds are great for weight loss? Chia seeds are an excellent source of fiber, which expands in the stomach when consumed with liquid, helping you feel fuller for longer. This promotes satiety and can help reduce overall calorie intake. Additionally, the protein and omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds boost metabolism and support fat burning, making them an ideal choice for those looking to lose weight. Best time to consume chia seeds for weight loss. Morning. Drinking a chia seed drink in the morning can jumpstart your metabolism and keep you full throughout the day. When consumed on an empty stomach, chia seeds absorb liquid in your stomach and expand, preventing overeating during breakfast or snacking before lunch. Pre-workout. Consuming chia seeds before a workout provides a steady release of energy, helping fuel your exercise routine. Drinking a chia seed drink about 30 minutes before your workout can improve endurance and enhance fat burning during physical activity. Before bed. Chia seeds consumed before bedtime can help curb nighttime cravings and support digestion. They provide a slow release of fiber, stabilizing blood sugar levels overnight, which is key for managing weight. How to make chia seed drink for weight loss? Ingredients: 1 tablespoon chia seeds, rich in fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. Chia seeds promote satiety and support metabolism. 1 cup water or unsweetened almond milk hydrates and helps chia seeds expand, creating a filling drink. A squeeze of lemon adds vitamin C to support metabolism and detoxification, while also enhancing flavor. Instructions: combine the chia seeds and water or almond milk in a glass. Stir well and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes to allow the seeds to absorb the liquid and expand. Add a squeeze of lemon for flavor and additional detox benefits. Drink immediately. The best time to drink chia seeds for weight loss depends on your schedule and goals. Whether in the morning, pre-workout or before bed, chia seeds help control appetite, boost metabolism and support digestion, maximizing their weight loss benefits. Thank you for watching the videos. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.